Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to read you a book called Happy Birthday Danny and the Dinosaur. And do you know what? They are going to celebrate Danny's birthday with the dinosaur. My birthday is also coming soon. Do you know when is it? It's in November 28th. And we are going to celebrate it. And so, let's get into the video. Danny was in a hurry. He had to see his friend, the dinosaur. I am 6 years old today, said Danny. Will you come to my birthday party? I would be delighted, said the dinosaur. Danny rode the dinosaur out of the museum. On the way, they picked up Danny's friends. Today I am 100 million years and 1 day old, said the dinosaur. Then it can be your party too, said Danny. The children helped Danny's father hang up balloons. See, I can help too, said the dinosaur. Danny's mother gave out party hats. How do I look? Asked the dinosaur. We would like to sing a song, said the girl and the boy. They sang, and everybody clapped their hands. I can sing too, said the dinosaur. He sang, and everybody covered their ears. Let's play pin the tail on the donkey, said Danny. The dinosaur pinned the tail on himself. The children sat down to rest. Please don't put your feet on the furniture, said Danny. The dinosaur put his feet out the window. Danny's mother and father gave each child a dish of ice cream. They had to give the dinosaur more. Here comes the birthday cake, said the children. They counted the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The dinosaur started to eat the cake. Wait, said Danny. First, we have to make a wish. I wish we can all be together again next year, said Danny. I wish the same thing, said the dinosaur. They blew out the candles. Happy birthday to you, everybody sang. This is the best birthday party I have ever had, said Danny. Me too, said the dinosaur. The end. I hope you all enjoyed this story. If so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget that my birthday is coming soon. I'm 5 today and I'm going to be 6 in some days. Danny's already 6. And don't forget to wish us happy birthday! Take care! Bye-bye! See you next time!